Bench testing the 1961 Cadillac headlight switch, serial number 03182022, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. Test number 3, dash light operation, low to high. Test number 4, dome light operation. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. And test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. Again, this is a run-up test for the 1961 Cadillac headlight switch, serial number 03182022, offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Using a fully charged battery at 12.91 volts, I'll be turning on the battery charger for the run-up test. Now running around 14.25 volts. Test number 1, tail and parking light operation. First position of the tail lights and front parking lights, and off. Test number 2, tail and headlight operation. First position, so you have tail, front parking, and headlights. Front parking lights are off, tail lights remain on. First position, tail, front parking, and off. Test number 3, dash light operation. Low to high. First position, tail lights, front parking, rotating the rheostat. Increase the brightness of the dash lights to full on and off. First position, headlight position. Dash lights, rotating to the dim position, to off, to full on, and off. Test number 4, dome light operation. First position, we have dash lights, front parking, tail lights, and a dome light, and off. Second position, headlights, dash lights, rear tail light, dome light, and off. Test number 5, circuit breaker operation. First position, tail lights, front parking, dash lights. Metallic spring in this circuit breaker, when it's heated, your senses a short in the wiring, will expand and break the contacts. Here we see there's no more power going to the master switch. I also have that in high and opening the contacts. We see the circuit is broken and the power to the master switch is cut off. This prevents the switch from causing situation of overheating if there's any short in the vehicle. First position and off. And test number 6, switch terminals insulated from ground. The standard 12 volt test light, grounding probe. We have continuity. I'm going to check the rheostat. Front terminal, battery terminal, headlight terminal, tail light terminal, parking lights, circuit breaker. No continuity, only to the chassis ground. We have continuity. Terminals are insulated from ground.